Hey guys, this is Priyanka. Welcome to my 4F4 income streams review video. So, this is basically a video courses that is going to give you 4 insane income streams that you never thought of trying out that they made them $200 per day and every day with just a pinch of their effort. So, this is how the sales page looks like. So, let me walk you through the sales page. So it's a no day without making a sale of two again. Free money inside income stream, and to help you get started for free, you will never struggle to make money online ever again. The best strategy to make money in 2021 as a beginner works all the time, and you don't need skills, and it's easy to implement right away, newbie friendly. So this is a sale demo video. You can watch it on the sales page also, and you can watch it on the bonus page also in my bonus pages. These are the bonuses. Especially, it's a custom made bonuses. It's especially made for you. I'll go walk you through the sale bonus page later. So this is the demo video. You can watch it. Access through my demo page also, the bonus page also. So exactly what is Fantastic for Income Streams? So Fantastic for Income Streams is a power-packed training that will reveal to you how you can start earning between $50 to $200 daily using four powerful, well or partially known platforms to make daily commission on demand absolutely for free. So it's a no day without making a sale or two again. So free money inside income stream one to help you get started for free. You will never get struggle to make money online ever again. The best strategy to make money online is in 2021 as a beginner works all the time, and you don't need any skills, easy to implement right away and new friendly. So this is what you're going to discover inside the Fantastic Four stream. So you're going to get 4 powerful sites you never thought of trying out, making me and them and their students $200 every day. The secret to getting commissions on a daily basis with less hassle or stress, bonus traffic hints to help you get started right away and get lifetime valuable knowledge about inside methods to make money even as a cool bonus. So these are the withdrawals and the proof he has attached by the vendor. So he has got around $88, and the partner stack in has sent them $17640, and he has also withdrawn like 17 or $14. So I also attached the various income daily profits. So these are the students' income. He has attached the proof also. So this is what you are going to get from this purchase. So income stream one is you have to set up a board that will make you daily sales. So you can have to use a board to make your sales on daily basis, and free $50 to get started with, even if you don't have time to start with. Then it's an income stream to have to get paid over $5 to $200 for just telling someone. So you need a quick cash. With this method, you may be able to make up to $200 for just telling your friend. It's an easy way to find people to join without actual wasting your precious time doing all the explanation. So straightforward tactics to even more money paid directly to you. So it's an income stream. 3 is how to make money with the CPA even while you're sleeping. So try CPA and fail. Guess what? You can't fail with this insane hack. Just 30 minutes and you're done. Wake up the next morning to the commission. So income stream 4 is learn a skill that will live forever with you. Get access to one of the powerful skills that will make you money virtually every day. So you're also going to get a bonus vendor bonuses. The bonus one is power power list pro software. So it's an email list, so which is a key access for strangers to leads, become leads to become stranger, lead customers, customers to become promoters. So the bonus two is an online viral marketing secrets upgrade. So it's a viral marketing can help you promote your content, but 90% of marketers fail in viral. They are not aware of the about the secrets and tricks of viral marketing. So it's a shortcut to online viral marketing secrets. The bonus three is article analyzer. So this package helps you analyze articles for keyword density so that you can get more targeted search engine traffic to website. Plus you are going to get the bonus for newbie traffic system. So this is a getting free targeted traffic is a topmost concern for all of the online marketer. So you can get the best product or highest in demand service, but without quality traffic, all the effects will be so. So in this thing, you are going to get how to get traffic and the hints and tricks for making free money. So they are also giving you a 30-day money back guarantee. So let's go to the bonus page. So the price comes in. So Fantastic Four income stream. The value of this is $17. So you'll get detailed video training. Be guided through how to get everything you'll need to make money with a brand new proven and tested method, including plus how to get set up everything in minutes of few hours, and you know how to make sure this works for you and with no shadows of doubt, an expansional method to get hot leads and sales scale your business affiliate business without requiring an email list or sending out mail. So OTO1 is an instant traffic software. Now if this is $47, it's a soul of traffic is the soul of business. So income streams, some of the income streams methods shown in the course do require constant amount of traffic for them to work. That's why they have their this upgrade for you to help you get rid of traffic issues. So what you do is an instant sales system, $67. So it's a instant sales system. You can easily simply set up your website filled with high converting campaigns and custom bonuses for each product and then send traffic to you it which is already settled in upgrade one and let the site do the selling for you. So they are also going to give you making videos. So just 10 minutes and you're making whole lot of cash. So OTO3 is a super marketing techniques. The value of this is $97. So you'll get a chance to learn the craziest of all the marketing tragedy in online marketing. So OTO4 is Danny the Affiliates Academy. Its value of this is $167. So you'll join their academy today and you'll get the chance to partner with them and partner with him on an upcoming product launch. So you get to learn your their secrets and you'll get insane commissions. So OTO5 is a license, right? Value of this $197. So you'll be able to relaunch the product as your own, give it as a bonus, or give away, modified it, do or whatever you wish to do. So you can grab all of the purchased product by clicking any of these orange boxes. So the bonus you're going to get from me, these are the exclusive bonuses. The bonus one is click back cash rate, and bonus 2 is drop down content panel maker, and bonus 3 is it's all in the list, and bonus 4 is turn tired old content into cash, and bonus 5 is extreme blog hunter, and bonus 6 is YouTube insights for audience. All of the above bonuses will be instantly available inside of your account, 100% free. So these are the exclusively custom bonuses that I have made. So the vendor bonuses will be also credited to your account on the my bonuses also will be accounted to your credited to your account if you purchase the product through my link or the bonus page. So is the orange button, so you just need to click on any of this orange button and it will directly take you to the sales page. So this is how the F4 income streams works. So this is a four basic video that is going to help you turn your efforts and sales into the money. And they have shown the $50 to $200 per $200 income per student. So they have also attached to the proof. So I think for F4 income is better. So next purchase the product through my link or the bonus page by clicking any of those orange buttons. So see you in the next video. Thank you.